And I'm going to be here to talk about centipedes. If you've ever seen these in your houses, you might be afraid of them. They're pretty much harmless and they're good for your house because they're eating all the pests around. But these are very distinctive because of their long legs and long antennae. And another group of centipedes that you might be familiar with are the tropical centipedes or the bark centipedes. And these species in this order generally have around 21 to 23 pairs of legs. And some species can actually go up to like 12 inches, which is about like I actually measured my arm to see exactly the 12 inches that it was from the palm of my hand to my elbow. So that's how big some of these centipedes can get. But those, luckily, we don't have those that get that big around here in California. That's mostly for like in tropical regions, like in Brazil. The species here, Scolopendra polymorpha, gets around only 3 to 4 inches out in the wild, and even like if they bite you, it won't be like hard, like it won't like I guess kill you. So that's good to know, right? And here are my sampling sites that I did within the Diablo Range. So Curry Canyon, San Antonio Valley Ecological Reserve, Blue Oak Ranch Reserve, Griswold Hills, and Laguna Mountain. These sites, the most species diversity I found was at Curry Canyon with 13 species, followed by Blue Oak Ranch Reserve, 10 species, and then Griswold Hills, 9 species. So in terms of habitat, a lot of these are like oak forests, grasslands, and right here in Griswold Hills, more like arid. Like if you can imagine the habitat, you see all these centipedes in there, what exactly are they doing? Like how's there so many different species of centipedes occupying the same habitat? So these centipedes aren't all eating the same thing. They can have like specific groups that they're specialized in. And that's how they're sort of like coexisting together because they're not all eating the same resource. So as you can imagine, they're that small. So yes, of course, you're going to be overlooking them. So one of the things that's important about these mandibles is that it's very informative in terms of morphology because it tells us what families or what groups of species belong in. Let's see. Like this one, for example, if it's Espinolf, that means that's an undescribed species. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 undescribed species so far within the Mount Diablo range. There's 150 recorded species, but I've personally found over 30 species of these centipedes in California. So there's a lot of undiscovered diversity out there. And I estimate there to be probably over 200 species in California. So worldwide, there's around 3,000 species. So if we just take that into consideration, California has about 6% of all the centipede diversity in the world.